tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's vlog. So I'm taking you guys along for a dress fitting and few haul. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you have not, share, comment if you're new to the channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Trinovec. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I'm a mom of one. So here I do lifestyle, weight loss journey, anything that has to do with motherhood. You got me. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. So I'll be going for a dress fitting for a wedding, and I'll also be going for grocery shopping, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. I'll show you guys everything I got as well. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment. She fell. Ooh, Mimi, see your clothes. Look at yourself in the mirror. Do you like it? You like it? Very fine. Plenty gada gada. You can't look as if now you be the chief bridesmaid of the wedding itself. Oh, I love this. Everything has snatched. But can I sit down?
I will lose this side.
I can't sit though. Try the skirt. Yes, I can't sit. Even if I sit, you have to pull. Fitting, and it's like this. Yeah, even yesterday she was probably what she said. She said she has given up. It's a cheese. Okay. No cake.
Cupcake.
No. Let me buy you let's pick donuts. You eat donuts? Do you want to, we eat donuts? Psychological problem. Even me yesterday. This is our clothes. It's very fine. So this is mine. It's a corset. This is the rope, and this is the skirt and blouse. Maybe you can put the cushion. I think you should put inside small freezer. Because that big freezer, whether it does not get frozen. I don't know. I was thinking maybe we'll wash it and use this Ziploc bag and put the meat inside. Take, give Papa. You know, enter. Bring the old one out. Put the new one inside. You understand? How this thing cost? 47,362 naira. And I asked her, what did I buy? You say all these small things I buy now. I said all these small things I buy cost me 47,000. You say yes. Here was few days later. I had to go shopping again. I was making arrangement for the wedding because the wedding was fast approaching, so I had to go buy few stuff again and buy makeup because I was like trying to look for who will do my makeup for me, and my god, like I did not know that makeup is very expensive right now. So the lady, my sister, contacted me for makeup. She was like telling me 80k for home service, okay, and for studio is like 30k without gele because I needed someone that would tie gele for me. I was like, why will I go spend that lots of money? And again, the wedding is different from the lady's location, so it's not convenient for me. So I decided to like buy my few product that I know I don't have and do my makeup by myself. Okay, so these are a few junkies I got for madam, a few things I got as well. I got her some hair packer, I got nails because I need to fix my nails, so I got this one and I got this black one as well. So I'm going to be fixing my nails for the wedding. That's why I got these press on nails. And yeah, I'll be showing you guys the makeup I got. This is egg, half plate of egg, and I got this makeup powder, this one. Okay, I got this powder which is my color, and I also got concealer as well. Like makeup product is very expensive, like oh my goodness. I got perfume, body spray, and that's it. That's everything I got, guys. This is everything I got, and you won't believe how much I spent. But anyway, we move. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I come live more often, so that's why the vlogs are mostly short, because I don't know what to vlog again because I'm always coming live. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So love, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.